Yo, what up? This is Ledge B. Yeah, what up? It's the middle of the night and I just woke up a little while ago. And it's always a good time to start making some music. I don't know why, man, but if you just woke up and then start making music, like, it's so satisfactory. Satisfying. It's so satisfying, yeah. Anyways, I have a little video I wanted to do for a while now about the serum. I use this stuff a lot for like doing like scratchy, weirdy things. And it's actually really simple and it's like a fun sound. It's nothing big really, but I thought, might want to share it with you guys. Yeah. So let's have a look at the serum here. So what I want to do is like create a little funky, scratchy sound. And in order to do that, I'm gonna create 2 MIDI tracks. First I got this one right here, which is gonna play the notes. Like so. Put this one on in, yeah, and no input, yeah. So now we can put a note up here. And I would play a little note. Oh. Just take C, doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because it's going to be noise in there. Okay. So we're going to turn off the oscillator and we're going to turn on the noise. Yeah. And get some, I don't know, funky noise. Let's see what it's called. Something with a bit of body. Sounds good. So you can hear it already. Wait, let me turn it up a little bit. So if I twist the phase knob, there's like this slight interpolation between the values. So what you get is like a funky, scratchy thing. Yeah, I like that, man. Turn it up a little louder still. Can we turn it up? Yeah. Yeah. So if I put that on the MIDI knob right here, create another MIDI channel, and I have my drum pad sync on the phase button, like so. So just press MIDI learn. I'm gonna go to my little drum pad right here, twist the knob. Whoop. Oh, that didn't work. Why did not work? Oh wait. Twist the knob. Yeah. Oh, nothing's happening. Why is nothing happening here? Is it playing the notes? Oh wait, maybe just put it on in. Oh, maybe you route it to the right output. Is that a good idea? Yeah. Okay. Do the MIDI learn again. And there we go. Yeah. So now I got it on the phase button. So what I did is press MIDI learn. Twist the knob, basically, on the controller right there. And yeah. That wasn't very clear, by the way. But yeah, I'm guessing you'll figure that. So what I can do now is press record here. Twist the knob a little bit. Brilliant. So now I got the scratch movements right here. Which I can edit So if I don't like it, say this one needs to be a bit earlier or something, I don't know. And of course you could pretty much change the scratchy source sound, whatever fits, you know. I find that generally the noise things are working best, like this, for example. Yeah, so that's it. Just play around with it a little bit and have fun. Yeah, bye-bye.